Hi everyone. Today I'm joined by the CEO and founder of Launch 360, Nicole Nadeau, and I'm just going to ask her a question. So, how would you describe what a 360-degree leadership assessment is?
So, a 360-degree survey or assessment for leadership is when somebody is assessing you holistically. So, they're asking people that are above you, people that are peers to you, and people that are below you to give feedback. And the interesting thing is, you're actually assessing yourself as well. So, a self assessment is always part of that. So, you're getting that 360 review of your capabilities, people above you, people below you, and people that are peers to you against your own thoughts to yourself. And that's why we call it a 360.
Love it. Thank you so much.